Welcome to our video on Policyholder Portal Services, the first step in accessing your new Manhattan Life policy. The first step that you will need to do once you've received your policy numbers, you'll need to go to www.manhattanlife.com. Once you've entered that into the browser, you will come to a screen that looks something like this. It's changing, and you will need to look in the top right-hand corner for login and register. Pulling down this tab for the contract and policyholder services. Once you've clicked on that button, you will come across a screen that looks something like this. The screen will ask for a username and password, and since you're a new policyholder that has not been created, you will need to scroll down to I want to register. For our purposes today, we'll be using the life and health policies, and we will go ahead and register a policy. Now, there are terms and conditions like all websites have. We will need to scroll down through those to make sure that everything's compliant with or copacetic for our needs, and then hit next. Now, the first thing that you will need is you will need a policy number. The policy number will be the first piece of information that you need to put in, and the next piece of information will be the Social Security number or fictitious Social Security number of the insured. Is already inputted there, and then we will proceed to next. Next, it will ask us for our birthday, our date of birth, and our email address. The email address is where we will send notifications for any type of changes, non-payment, things like that. We want to make sure that we use 4 for the 4 digits for the year and 2 for the month and date. And then we'll go ahead and put in an email address and then hit next. Once our information is verified, the thing that we'll need to do is we'll need to create a username and password. Our password requirements basically say that they must have at least 8 characters, at least 1 number, at least 1 lowercase, at least 1 uppercase, and at least 1 special character. So for our purposes today, we're going to use Jim Shorts 1, $, and then we'll put in a password with the and then confirm our password. We'll then be asked for a security question. There's not a drop-down box for the security question. We'll need to go in and type in, what is your favorite football team? Would be an example. And then we need to put in our answer. At that time. Now, once the new count information is there, we've gone through the process, we hit next again. The username has only 1 letter, and there's going to be errors on this. Okay, so in other words, I have a special character, which that's not it. So you see that I made an error on there. So let's go ahead and change this to Jim Shorts 1. And then we'll go ahead and continue. Now, the next thing is you'll see our email registration. We've registered this. We've got our date of birth. We've got our security question. So that's for you, the policyholder, to confirm. Now we go ahead and click next because we verified that information. Now, congratulations. Now, proceed to the login page. So now we're going to log back in. Typing in our password, our username, and then we're going to log on. Again, verifying. Now that we've logged on, we're going to our policy holder. Now here, once we're here, we can go to home, we can look at our policy, and we can also look for our form. So if we want to go to home first, we're going to verify email address. And once we get that email, there will be an email that comes to us. Once that email comes in, we'll go ahead and enter that verification code. Once we've validated our email, there will be an email that's just sent to you to click on the box to validate. Then we will go back to our username and password. And we'll enter our password. Hopefully we keyed in everything in correctly, and we'll go ahead and log in. Now you'll see that the error message is not there. We validated the email address just by going and clicking on our received email from Manhattan Life. Once I get to home, then this is the home landing page, and you'll see this is my policy. If I bought multiple policies, then they will be in here. So if I have a bridge, a dental, any one of the other plans that we sell. So then also here is a way to upload forms where I can attach an image for claims, for policy services, and I can also view. So basically there's policy, there's forms, there's contact, and again there's our account information or course. Any type of correspondence that's been generated on this policy, we should be able to access. And also on the home section, again, we can view the policy that we submitted, and it'll show a status of active or inactive. Once again, once we're finished, we can either close the window down or we can log out. So this ends the video for the initial portal login. Now we'll have further videos that'll go through the different processes of submitting claims and accessing your policy. Please contact Manhattan Life if you have any questions. The phone number is listed on your policy, or you can call 888-441-0770. Thank you and have a great day.